I can't stop sneezing because of the pollen. I need a tissue, but I just use all of them. Tell me, does someone have a tissue for me? I need a tissue. I got allergies.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
The dramatic sneezers.
Yeah, it is a huge attention seeker.
It's not normal.
Yeah.
It's not normal. I'm really glad you brought attention to this.
Right.
Because I don't think this is getting enough attention in the press. I don't think I've read one article about it in my entire life. And I think dramatic sneezing needs to be addressed, studied, and we need to know what is the psychology behind it.
If I sneeze one more time today, I think I'm going to actually scream. No word of a lie when I say I think I've probably sneezed 50 times. Excuse me. 50 times today. Like literally. I can't deal with it anymore. My nose is sore. I've literally got the most sensitive nose in the world, and sometimes I will just sneeze. Constantly something will aggravate me. I could be at home, I could be at work, I could be outside. Something will just get up my nose and I literally can't stop it. And it's doing my head in.
Camera. What is that?
Way she snaps right into character.
Shining letters in the dark.
When you sneeze, pretend like it's still COVID times and you need to like not seem like you're sick because people are judging you. Instead of sneezing like your sneezes is everyone's problem. Like the drama.
She's eating Sour Patch popcorn, look. Happy holidays.
Well, here we are again. You already know what time it is. Find ourselves in the same situation every gosh dang time. This is what happens when you have two jobs that are both very people-oriented. I always forget how to use these. Yeah. Hello, old friend. I'll just stop talking because I know the real part. You guys just want to see the sneezes. Oh, ay, Dios mío. Stop my leg. It's flat on your leg. Or another flat surface. In my case, me arse. I'm sorry. Let's get a close up. Oh, I look dreadful. I don't want to do this again. Little thumbs up. Oh, screw this, honestly. That was just one nostril. Don't look at me, I'm hideous. Oh, that was disgusting. Ew, don't look at it. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, when I'm sick and I'm like stuffed up, right? I'm like a loud nose blower. You know, like the kid who needed to step outside of the classroom because everyone like, gee. And I'm like, I just want to blow my freaking nose. And now as an adult, I'm like, I don't care. I'm going to blow my schnoz. So I did tonight. And I guess I didn't realize that like other people don't have like the sinus pressure movement that I do. It doesn't happen all the time, but I'm going to see if I can get it to, I don't know what like speaks the nose talk. It's like a, you know, like a, but usually it'll be like, and it's just like, I feel it go up and then like alleviates and it's like, yeah. But not right now. We'll see. We'll check back later. I guess I'm not getting any feedback from my nose. Maybe I am. I just like feel it breaking up in there. Does anybody else have a nose that talks back? Do you guys think I blow my nose too hard? Maybe it's too, I mean, my ears kind of get pluggy sometimes and then it's like, just have a lot of movement, you know? But I don't think I'm even like blowing that hard. I'm just, I got stuff up there, you know? It's like tunnels. You hear them. It's hilarious. I hate being sick. It sounds like trolls.
thank you to all the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.